Hello my crafty friends, this is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I'm here on the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube video channel today to bring you some new inspiration from the box of the month. I am using the October 2021 sheet load of cards that just debuted yesterday, October 1st. This sketch was inspired by Creative Chelsea, who I will leave her channel down below. She is on our team, and you can get the printable for the sketch at Call Me Crafty Owl. I'll leave that link down below too. So I have already put together my cards. I'm showing you that I'm going to put those two cards together a little bit later. I put two cards together for you. And I'm going to put one card together here on camera. So I've already heat embossed it. I used the ornament stamp set, which the only way you can get that stamp set is to the ornamental Christmas is to get the box. There will not be any of those left over for Jamie to sell individually. So in order to get this stamp set, you will need to purchase the box. So all of those links will be in the description box down below. So I had stamped out the top part of the ornament, the bow, and on some pattern paper and fussy cut that out. Then I've got an N1 Copic marker and I've colored the little piece of kind of like the ornament hanger that's underneath the bow. You can't really see it on camera very well, but there's a little tiny bit of like the top of the ornament, and I colored that with some gray. The sketch this month has some tearing elements on it, so I am tearing part of my paper to go on top of my focal panel. Or not my focal panel, my background panel. So I used the faux glitter piece as my background panel. That is cut to 4 by 5 1/4. And then according to the dimensions on the printable, I've cut down my top 2 pieces that I've torn. And just using my Barely Art glue to put these on top of my panel here. And then I am going to show you how to put together this piece. Now on the printable, this piece is 11 by 1/2 inch. 11 inches by 1/2 inch, and you fold it. Well, because I didn't want to bring in anything outside of the kit, and these pieces of paper are 6 by 6, I cut, it's a little bit under 11 inches, but I cut 3 1/2 by an inch, 1/2 inch. And then I am just kind of laying them kind of crisscross to make it appear a faux appearance that the pieces of paper have been folded. So so that's how I kind of was able to make it still have that look of it being folded. And then I have put some foam tape on the back of my ornament, and I let that take the place of the focal point on my card. And I'm going to get that adhered right there in the center. And my favorite kind of cards to make are Christmas cards. And this box, I am loving it. It is just absolutely adorable. I love everything about this box. So there's my my box or my card there, and magically you see some sequins appear. I had to get them out and get some poured into my little tray. So I am just going to sprinkle some white sequins around my card. These sequins come with the kit. If you want to see an unboxing of the kit, there are several. Use the hashtag N2S Deck the Halls, and then you can see lots of inspiration using this box and the contents of this box, and there'll be videos that show you everything that came in the box and or comes in the box and that such, and some more inspiration with the box. So I'll leave that hashtag down below, and I'll put it up here on the screen. So sequins sometimes can be real fiddly for me. I didn't have enough white sequins, so I had to pour some more out from the little baggie of sequins that came with the box. So these two little ornaments, the ornament comes plain. It comes with words, and then it comes with these two scenes that you can stamp inside the ornament. Both of them say Merry Christmas, but one's a mountain scene and one is a Santa across the sky and some trees. And I embossed those with some navy embossing powder that I have. And I love that embossing powder, so I was very excited to use it. So I made, the Sheetload actually makes 10 cards. I made 5. Tomorrow I will be back on my channel and making 5 more. Thanks so much.